Hi everyone, I'm Divya and welcome to my cooking channel TabuTinkuFoodies. So today I'm gonna make peanut butter with flax seeds. Peanut butter is hands down my favorite nut butter क्योंकि इसमें प्रोटीन है, healthy fat है, fiber है, which gives me the much needed energy after a great workout. That's why I love adding it to my breakfast bowl. And you know the best part of this recipe is? It's sugar free, it's cost effective and it's easy to make. So I thought why not share it with you guys. So let's get started. I like adding flax seeds in it क्योंकि इनमें ओमेगा 3 फैटी एसिड्स होते हैं जो पीनट बटर को और न्यूट्रिशियस बना देते हैं. इसे अच्छे से ब्लेंड करने में 8 से 10 मिनट का टाइम लगता है एंड दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर ब्लेंडर. And just like that, it's ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna make more recipes using this peanut butter in the coming weeks. So please stay tuned. Do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my next recipe. Till then, bye guys.